Hey, everybody, Tom Gentile. Welcome to Tom's Trading Room. Today, I want to take a look at Bitcoin and Ethereum as we have had some pretty major pullbacks from the highs of just a week or so ago. I want to show you what I'm looking at and what in an episode that I like to call Hold That Line. So, take a look at my screen here. You can see what's going on with Bitcoin. I mean, having another day to the downside as I'm looking at it here, coming off of where we were just a little more than a week ago, this looks like a very interesting level of support. And, looking at it here on my Coinbase account, I can see the last level of support was back here around September or October 28th. And, fast forward, and we are now heading into the end of November. This is a very, very crucial line, but this isn't even what I'm looking at. All right. What I'm looking at are the Fibonacci levels. So let me take you down that road and show you where I see support coming in for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let's start with Bitcoin. So as you can see, what I've done here is I have snapped a 55-day chart. That takes us back to the lows at the beginning of October. Right, so you see the beginning of October lows, then you see the end of October lows that I just showed you on my Coinbase account. That area does look interesting as far as support, but we've already broken through there. What looks even more interesting to me is right here. The lows that occurred at $41,056 on Bitcoin back at the beginning of October to the highs that happened just about a week and a half ago at $67,549. Now, these are closing highs. These are not wick highs, all right, highs and lows, absolute highs and lows. I don't use those, all right. I don't care for wicks and adding them in my trading. I think wicks are great for candles, all right, real candles, not candlesticks. But taking this low to this high, we get pullback percentages. The pullback percentages that I'm looking at are the 38 and 50% retracement areas. The 38% retracement level we just hit as of this video at 57,429.04. Now we hit that, we went through it a little bit, and we are now above it. We'll see if that holds. The next area of resistance or support that we see is the 50% level, and that is at 54,302.95. Again, 38% and 50% of what? From the lows back at the beginning of October to the highs that we saw just about a week and a half ago. 38% off, 50% off. Of course, I have a 60% off, 61% off as well, but I like to look at these two numbers. These are buying opportunities that I see in Bitcoin right now. Let's take this one step further and let's look at Ethereum. The symbol is ETH. Same thing, same 55-day chart, and you'll see here the lows on Ethereum about the same time frame, October 1st at 2807. The highs about a week and a half ago at 4810. We've seen the pullback. Look what happened today. We've stabbed below the 38% retracement. That 38% retracement level is sitting right in at $4,045. Okay. Take a look at the 50% retracement level. That's 3809. So we have now stabbed and now trading back above the 38% retracement level. I think these are, if you like Fibonacci and you like following this type of strategy, all right, this type of technical analysis, then Fibonacci makes some very interesting points here. Now, we could look at a couple of other things. I'll show you two more charts here. Let's stay on Ethereum for a moment. So instead of the crypto chart, let's take a look at the moving average signals. Now, what I look for are 10 and 30-day moving averages. The last moving average buy we got was way down here at 3,400. Since then, we've seen this on a tear upward, but look what's happening to these 10 and 30-day moving averages. They are coming together. If this Fibonacci retracement is going to stick, it's going to need to stick soon, and we're going to need to see Ethereum move back up. Otherwise, we're going to get the crossover, and it's going to tell us that now the moving averages agree that it's time to take a pause. Let's take a look at Bitcoin with moving averages as well. One more chart, BTC. There it is. Putting it back on the screen. BTC also had a buy, and it was around 51,000 back at the beginning of October. Look what's happened here. We did consolidate together, but then BTC made new highs, and this spread apart. But look what's happening as of today. Coming back together. Again, if the 10-day moving average crosses below the 30, that's another indication that Bitcoin is not ready to jump back and create new all-time highs. So I'm going to be watching both of these charts and both of these indicators very closely to see if I can get myself another buying opportunity here in both Bitcoin and in Ethereum. All right. Hey, thanks for watching the short video. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Also, if you subscribe to these videos, then you're going to see these videos coming out to me at least once a week. We're also doing 2 or 3 live streams a week as well. So join me on those. Those are on Mondays, Tuesdays, and possibly Wednesdays, starting at 9:30 a.m. I'll see you then. Bye now.